My name's Steph Grasso, I'm a registered dietitian, and I'm all about eating healthy on a budget. Most people think eating healthy is so expensive, but it doesn't have to be. I'm going to show you how I grocery shop and meal prep all on a budget. First, I choose 3 to 4 meals that are balanced with a carbohydrate, protein, and vegetables. Balancing is key because it keeps you full longer and it gives you longer lasting energy levels. I like to fill half my plate with vegetables, a quarter with some sort of protein, and then the other quarter with either a whole grain or a starch. Adding a healthy fat like avocados, nuts, seeds is definitely an added bonus. And then it's time to make your grocery list. The first thing you should do is write down all the ingredients for each recipe. From there, go through and swap any similar ingredients between the recipes. For an example, if one recipe calls for rice and another recipe calls for quinoa, just use rice for both, or quinoa for both. If a recipe calls for sesame oil and you only have olive oil, just use olive oil. A few ways I save money at the grocery store is by shopping in season, choosing store brand items, buying frozen or canned fruits and vegetables, choosing cheaper sources of protein like canned tuna or beans, or buying in bulk whenever possible. My last tip is to use meal prep strategies to minimize food waste and to get the most out of your ingredients. For me, I like to batch cook my whole grains and cut up and store fruits and vegetables to minimize food prep for the week. I just prepped Southwestern stuffed peppers, pork fried rice, honey glazed salmon, pork loin with Brussels sprouts and potatoes for under $65 in just a couple hours. I hope these tips help you get the most bang for your buck.